Hello dreamers, I'm Dr. Shivani and I'm here to give you a little sneak peek into PrepLadder's 2021 Dream Pack notes. Excited? So am I. Based on 2021 updated video lectures prepared by the Dream team, we have created notes in order to complement those video lectures and promote the integrated learning experience. This year, PrepLadder's theme is Own Your Dream, and like everything else, our notes are designed to push you to own and achieve your dreams. We have made the notes bright and colorful in order to remove the darkness and the dullness brought on by 2020. And at the last page of each book, you'll find a little surprise from our end, some motivation, and we hope you enjoy it. Like previous year, this year notes are colorful, easy to read and follow. We have further improved the quality of the clinical images. High-yield information has been compressed in a form of tables, flowcharts, bullet points and numbered lists. All these things will help you memorize and recall the information in an easier way. Each topic and subtopic is marked with the corresponding timestamps so that you can use these notes while watching the video, and you can refer to the relevant section if you want some clarity on some points from the notes. In each subject notes, all important points are highlighted and all recent MCQs are tagged appropriately. Additionally, we have added clinical correlate boxes. Now, in keeping in view the next pattern, the clinical correlate box will help you integrate the basic and the clinical subjects, which will further build the conceptual understanding. Each page of the notes includes Myspace, which is a blank space where you can write all the additional information in order to personalize your notes. At the end of each unit, we have given mind maps. Now these mind maps are the summary of the most important topics of that unit. You think you need it? We have it covered. Working on new learnings and past feedback, we have made some exciting additions to the notes while retaining all the goodness of the previous editions. We look forward to making 2021 an year of great achievements, better partnership, and to help you own your dream.